Good morning, everybody. Trey Campbell here, coming at you with some live trades that I've got going. I've also got my newest baby in my lap, so if you hear something going on, you know what that is. Anyhow, let's jump right into it. This is British pound US dollar. Took a short position here, was holding, and now we're starting to pull back in. Obviously, here is this red dotted line is the take profit. I'm going to tell you why I got into this trade. Go to a weekly chart. Basically, this was a resistance level from back in 2016. So I wanted to kind of absorb into a trade coming into that resistance because I knew that we would have some sort of resistance, seeing that there is a lot of resistance there in the past. Well, surprising to me, it blew through. That was okay. I positioned my size small enough to where I was willing to absorb the trade, and instead of stopping out, I would rather hold this position and kind of absorb the move up and find some other shorting opportunities. That's currently the GBP. My next entry, just want to show you this. I've got a lot of lines on. This is all Fibonacci levels. Mathematically speaking, this line here is my next entry to short. Now, the reason I like it so much, and I'm kind of hoping that we get there eventually, is we have confluence here because we have multiple matching Fibonacci levels at this point. So even if we dip down, come back, even if we don't dip down and come back, we have I will hold the position all the way up to that level. I feel very confident that that level will produce a nice bounce, a nice rejection. So therefore, I will make up the difference. There's about 500 pips between. So if I do hold this position, I'll look to make about $500 or so on it if it does, in fact, go to that level. If it just comes on down to my profit, I'll be looking at about $110 profit there. Alright, so also short in US JPY yen. Reason I shorted it, same kind of conflicting interest there. We ran into a weekly support zone where I did short, and this red line here will represent the short that I placed. And if you look to the left, you'll see. Let me just move that out of the way. You'll see where exactly I did get in there on the green line. We had support here back in 16, or resistance, or support and resistance here, because we broke it as support, and then we came back and hit it as resistance. We come back here, we see where it found support there. We found support all through here, before it tore down, and then it's been a respected number. So. And we're in a current kind of a channel here headed down. We are we're in a downtrend on the weekly, and we've already had a correction. Now we're moving back down. So I'd like to see that go further into my direction there. I don't know exactly how the market doesn't work perfect, so it's hard to aim where I'm going to place these trades, and I do absorb them, so I spend a little bit of time in negative territory, which is fine. It doesn't bother me because I know the end result. So I'm looking for a continuation down for about $130. Back in this direction. If it does pull back in, my take profit's about the 38.2 Fibonacci level on a pullback into, or a continuation into this direction. Last trade here that I got on currently, this is 9/26/2017, so just a kind of a to journalize what I'm doing here. I shorted here, absorbed a lot of negativity here, and had my next level here at the 97.523 level. I did not have enough strength. It came down. We're also in a downtrend, maybe in a corrective, a buying of the market right now. A lot of demand, and so what I'm looking at right now is basically an absorption of the market, and then I was going to absorb a couple more levels, and each one would put me into a better position. So that's what I got going on right now. I'll keep you updated. Currently negative all positions. Been in them for about a week. If anything changes, I'll let you know.